The kind things where some girls they do all in the name of relationship, it dey very serious, super serious. Sometimes say the thing they do me like say, Madam Aproko, you should say you be human being. You should say you still dey this world. Because the kind things where they happen, they do me like say make I just go heaven. No, I don't tire today here. My people, now so this girl, this girl leave her mama house. Say they go stay for cemetery because of man. The boy normally they stay for cemetery. Where I don't know what to do in house. I mean, no get house. Now so you go to stay for cemetery. Him and the girl don't they date. Now so the girl can't tell the mama say, okay, say now this thing don't they happen now. So I suppose moving with my boyfriend. They say the mother even agree. Now so they come ask the girl say, okay, how this thing happen? Wait till even make your mind to decide say you dey go stay for cemetery. She said she go visit the guy one day as per her boyfriend now. So they can't go there. As she reach there, they don't they gist, you understand now how lovers they behave. Na so darkness can't they reach. Now so she can't tell the boy say, baby, I'm scared. I need to go home. This one. Now so the boy can't tell her say, oh, why are you scared? After all, you will die. When you die, now here you go stay head. My people, I beg make I not take on that time. You understand? So I don't bring on the girl. Make una see her for una scream by una self as she dey talk. So join me, make we listen to what she dey talk.
Ba me boy in nche. Me mama ya ti ablekuma. Ye me slow mo bai. Me chisa. By first no dia na me slow bai se see ade me tunda. First day na me buy the night me say buy na me sunu me catch and say yon coffee. My or say hayana am so your better na me see. I na me slow pa. But catch and say me ma me sunu na me sunu me wo hayana e ba be see mo. Ti me ma me sunu na me catch and say if number so la be di me chi o say obia en sorry en ma me nchenti. Be mo mo wo mo ko omo ni ase bio. Tla me sunu ya kodo na me tina. If say no ye judgment means me can change say yanko. Nti ebo ambe form ho no. And after there I say do this no. Ha say ya yesu. Na me ka chen say yanka yanko tena nim ho mo. Na me yanko tena ho. Tin na yako absent na yako down.
Women, why not like they love mumu love like that? Why be say una no fit just love with sense? Okay, I know say sometimes you understand love fit carry you yourself you go even forget yourself. But I beg, I don't understand. As the love they carry you no fit think small. It don't reach level of cemetery. You love from outside, you enter cemetery. No. I don't think this one is love. I beg. Una go call her love sacrifice. Now wait, according to una, I beg, I know they see any love sacrifice. I just they pity una. Wait, the one way even they shock me. That one say, I don't just understand. I need to see this woman, this girl's mother face to face. Me and now we need get discussion. The mama even give her go ahead. The mama allow him. How old be this girl? If you not even check and well, now know how Ghanaians they be. They know their age, no they show for their body. This girl never even reach 18. If I dey mistake at all. Now you don't decide say na like this you dey love to this extent. What you not even sabi about love? What you not know? Una go just watch movie. Una just see person for TV. If they do this, una go still go stand up. Say una they follow. Now your mama blame you. Because as a mother, even if you don't say, okay, your daughter love this person so much and you like two of them together, I think, I just they tell you now, wait till they think. At least the mama supposed give them house. You know they acceptable, but at least it better pass cemetery. You understand? You love your pikin, so that you feel do anything for your pikin. So why you no get the boy house? So that you know say your pikin they go normal human being house, they go visit person. What it be cemetery and you agree on top of that? I just imagine many things for my head. Imagine say these people now. Imagine say they want, you understand? They want. So now among the dead, they do. So dead bodies now go they watch blue film anyhow. This one a live show. No, they don't even need leave. They don't need leave that grave where they did. Wherever they did like that, they go just watch. What a pity. What, like, you don't understand? I not just understand Africa. I beg, wait till they happen to Africa. And you go there now, they go they sleep with their 2 eyes closed. How? I don't feel to, if na me, I don't even feel good much. I don't even know how it look like. Not to talk of say they go sleep. Who born with me? Are they crazy? Hey. Some people get mind. All in the name of, and they say that the boy convince him. My brother, you get power like this to convince woman. But you not go use that same power of conviction to go make money. This one, if you go say something, once in fact, you dey good in marketing, you go make money, no waste time go they do in love. Which kind stupid love? You go tell me now, Madam Aproko, love no catch you before. Love catch me many times. Where he leave me too. But I never go mortuary. I never go do one kind thing. No, nah, this kind of thing, this one no be love because may they not even try with me. I'm not. If you like, go use jazz, you no go work. You get some kind of things where you know this one no go work. Una dey even sure say that guy na human being. Una dey sure. Because no. Because this one part, you be like say na spirit. Na spirit, na only spirit fit do this kind of thing. You never, no, for the guys now, I dey sure say una go even agree with me. It not dey easy to carry girl go your normal house, like well-furnished house, where you know say na normal house. It not dey easy, not be every girl say go gree follow you. Not to talk of cemetery, and they tell me say this guy na human being. My own be say, Ejo, Biko, Mepacho, no come they cry for social media tomorrow, say they break your heart. And they talk to that girl. No come they disturb us, so say they don't break your heart, they don't break your leg, they don't break your hand. I no go here. Because now you carry your 2 legs, say you dey go mortuary, I be cemetery. The thing where this girl don't do now is more than love sacrifice. This is love rituals. This is not sacrifice again. My people, now I say make I bring una this matter. Because if now only me judge her now, I don't know where to even put her. Before I go say they support one person, so I don't bring her. I want to wait till una think. I beg, the mama do right, the girl do. Una sure say this thing a natural action. I be something they behind her. Drop her for the comment section because it is very important. So that we go know on time whether this girl need help. I been at the mama even need help. You understand? And if you never subscribe, Joe, click on that thing so that you go do updated anytime when we dey drop them hot. You understand? Because this place no dull moment with us. Yes, my people, and no forget, click on that thing. You understand? And make we debate this thing for that down section. I go see you now later.